Hi and welcome to On Maths, and today we're going to be looking at 10 formulae you're going to kick yourself for not knowing to get your grade 4 in the upcoming maths resit exams. So let's dive right into things. First up, we have the area of a rectangle. You almost certainly will need to know this. The formula for a rectangle is length times width. Remember, it might be super simple, but it's also a building block for more complex shapes. Next, we have the area of a triangle, often forgotten about, and the formula is area of a triangle equals half times base times height. Remember that the base and the height have to hit each other at 90 degrees. If you've got a 3D shape in a question, chances are the question is revolving around the volume of a prism. To find the volume of a prism, we first of all have to find the area of the cross section and times it by the length. For a triangular prism, we first of all need to find the area of the triangle and then times it by the length of the shape. Next, let's talk about circles and the circumference. The circumference of the circle is the perimeter or distance around a circle, and it will equal 2 times pi times r, where r is the radius. If you're given the diameter, you can just do pi times d, pi times the diameter. If the question's talking about speed or distance or time or 2 of the 3 and you need to find the third one, this formula is going to be useful for you. The formulae are distance equals speed times time, speed equals distance over time, and time equals distance over speed. Some teachers teach us with a big triangle. If the question's to do with chance, you'll need to know the formula to do with probability. The formula is probability equals number of successful outcomes over total number of outcomes. So imagine rolling a 3 on a dice. There is one number 3 on a dice, there are 6 in total, therefore the probability of rolling a 3 will be 1 over 6. Sticking with probability, all mutually exclusive events have to add up to 1. So the probability that something happens is 1 minus the probability that it doesn't happen. Imagine I told you that the probability it will rain tomorrow is 1/4, you'll know the probability it won't rain tomorrow is 3/4. I don't want to be mean, but the next one is the mean. The formula for the mean is the sum of all values over the total number of values. So if we're looking at the numbers 1, 2, 3, we add them together to make 6, divide them by the amount of numbers there are, which is 3, so the mean is 2. And there's no better end to a video like this than looking at percentages. The formula to make a percentage is part over whole times 100. So if we've got 3 red counters and 5 counters all together, we'll do 3 divided by 5 and times it by 100 to give us 40%. And that's all the beautiful formulae I've got for you today. If you can think of anything more, write it in the comments below. Otherwise, if you've enjoyed this video and think it's helpful, click like. If you want to see more from us, click subscribe. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one.